Hi, I'm Rob, and I'm a trainer with the Learning and Development Group from Hunter Douglas. At Hunter Douglas, we strive to avoid installation errors, and this video will help you with your designer roller and screen, standard roll, and fascia shades installations. Correct bracket placement leads to proper operation of your designer roller and screen shade standard roll and fascia shades. For designer roller and screen shades and fascia, there's some data in the installation, operation, and care guide that you need to be aware of when installing this product. Let's take a look. When conducting the installation for both inside mount and outside mount, the IOC states to center the ordered width of the shade in the window minus 1/8 inch. We are looking at an inside mount window. This window measures 36 inches and our ordered width is 36 inches inside mount. The brackets for standard shades and fascia go in from the edge of the window 1/16 inch per side. See the standard roll with the brackets in the corners of the window. It really moves from side to side. Here's the fascia with the brackets in the corners of the window. See it move from side to side. This is not a need for a remake. A remake ordered the same width will arrive the same size. With the brackets in 1/16 of an inch on each side, the shade does not move side to side. If the brackets are not moved in 1/16 of an inch, the shade may not appear to fit into the brackets correctly, and rattling or unwanted noise may occur. Another way to locate the inside mount bracket position in the window is to use the available shims for order. These kits allow you to screw through the side of the bracket, and using 2 of the shims for each side puts the brackets 1/16 of an inch in from the end of the window opening. These components may be ordered through Direct Connect. Why do we move the brackets in from the edge of the window? The inside mount standard shade deduction is minus 1/8 inch off of the ordered width. For the outside mount, there is no deduction, as you can see. This is listed in the DES section of the Hunter Douglas Price and Reference Guide. It's also located in the bracket and headrail mounting booklet. So here are the results. The standard shade operates correctly with no rattling or noise. Look at the fascia shade. With the bracket spaced in from the ends 1/16 of an inch, you do not see the bracket at the end of the fascia. Spacing it in from the end 1/16 of an inch is a better look for the product. So what do you think? A lot of us have been mounting the brackets all the way in the corners of the windows for designer roller and screen shades for a very long time. This approach leads to no callbacks, no unnecessary remakes, and no second trips to the home, all while providing excellent customer service through your detailed knowledge of the product and installation. What kind of changes are you going to make as an installer with the information that has been provided? Take action on your installations and provide the customer with the best operation and look for the product. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I want to thank you for your business.